Intro, welcome to Redefines. Welcome to Redefines. Today, we dive into one of the most refined electric motorcycles on the market, the Zero S. A bike built for smooth performance, instant torque, and everyday practicality. Design and build. The Zero S brings a clean, modern design with a lightweight frame. Its slim profile and comfortable riding position make it ideal for daily commutes and urban rides. Electric performance. Powered by Zero's advanced electric motor, the S delivers instant acceleration, smooth torque, and impressive efficiency. The ride feels responsive, quiet, and refined. Battery and range. The Zero S offers a strong range for city and light highway use. With the available power tank option, riders can extend their distance, making it a reliable choice for everyday travel. Technology and features. From customizable ride modes to a smart app connection, the Zero S is loaded with tech. Riders can track performance, adjust settings, and monitor the bike system in real time. Comfort and handling. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced design make the Zero S easy to handle in traffic. Its suspension setup ensures a smooth ride on both city streets and suburban roads. Final thoughts. The Zero S is a perfect entry point into electric motorcycling, simple, efficient, and fun to ride. It's a modern machine built for riders who want performance without complexity.